G'day guys, if you race, ride or camp, the chances are you've got a pit tent. Well, so do I. But sometimes I find it a hassle fitting the heavy duty pit tent in the van. Until now I've got the compact frame marquee from Altegra. It has telescopic legs that pack the marquee down to an additional 35% than the heavy duty marquee, making it more manageable in size. The ProLite frame is just as durable and has lost none of its strength. Rest assured, the Altegra hex frame gives you peace of mind. It won't blow away at the track. What I love about my Altegra compact frame is it's lightweight, super strong, easy to set up, and the fact that I can now always pack it when I'm going riding. It's a great option for those practice days and saving space. If you don't need the extra weight of a regular pit tent, then take a look at the compact frame. Check them out at altegra.com.au.